Nestled in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan, lies the unassuming town of Sarai Naurang. It is a place where time seems to move at a slower pace. The town is small, with a population of just a few thousand. Life here revolves around the rhythms of nature. The town is situated in a valley surrounded by rolling hills. The climate here is semi-arid. Summers are hot and dry, and winters are mild and short. The average annual rainfall is low, less than 500 millimeters per year. The vegetation reflects this dry climate, with hardy shrubs and acacia trees dotting the landscape. The town is a hidden gem, offering a glimpse into a simpler way of life. The landscape surrounding Sarai Naurang is characterized by its resilience. The semi-arid climate dictates the types of plants that can thrive here. The flora has adapted to survive with minimal rainfall. You will find an abundance of drought-resistant species. Medicinal plants are particularly abundant in this region. Locals have long relied on these plants for their healing properties. Herbs like and are commonly used in traditional remedies. They're easily spotted growing wild on the hillsides. The people of Sarai Naurang have also learned to cultivate crops suited to this arid environment. Wheat, maize and barley are staple crops here. The fields are a patchwork of green and gold during the harvest season. Farmers also grow a variety of vegetables, including onions, tomatoes and chilies, which add a splash of color to the landscape. Despite the arid conditions, Sarai Naurang boasts surprising biodiversity. The hills surrounding the town are home to a variety of bird species. You might spot the Indian grey hornbill with its distinctive call. The bright plumage of the blue-cheeked bee-eater adds a flash of colour to the landscape. While large mammals are less common in this environment, you might encounter smaller creatures. Keep an eye out for the nimble Chinkara gazelle and the elusive desert fox darting through the undergrowth. The best time to catch a glimpse of these animals is at dawn and dusk, when they are most active. The region also boasts a unique variety of reptiles. Lizards, including the spiny-tailed lizard, are a common sight. Snakes, such as the saw-scaled viper, are also present. It is important to be cautious and respectful of their natural habitat. Sarai Naurang, though small, holds whispers of a rich history. Nestled amidst scenic landscapes, this town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The town's name itself hints at its past. Sarai translates to inn or resting place, suggesting it once served as a stopover point for weary travelers. Imagine the days when caravans traversed ancient trade routes, stopping here to rest and replenish. This small town was likely a bustling hub of activity, filled with merchants, traders and travelers from distant lands. Perhaps it was a bustling hub on an ancient trade route. The echoes of those days can still be felt in the air. While specific historical sites may be scarce, the local culture is a treasure trove of stories. The traditions and customs passed down through generations paint a vivid picture of the past. The people are warm and welcoming, proud of their heritage. They carry the legacy of their ancestors with pride and joy. Spend some time in the local tea house and you can listen to the elders share tales of bygone eras. Their stories are windows into a time when life was simpler yet rich with meaning. The local market is a vibrant tapestry of life. It's a place where the community comes together, where the old meets the new. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to colourful fabrics. Each stall tells a story, each product a piece of the town's heritage. The air is filled with the aroma of spices and the sounds of bargaining. It's a sensory experience that immerses you in the local way of life. It's a feast for the senses, offering a glimpse into the heart of the community. Sarai Naurang may be small, but its culture and history are vast and deeply enriching. Section 5. The Spice of Life, Food and Markets. The cuisine of Sarai Naurang is as flavorful as its surroundings. The streets are alive with the aroma of spices and the sizzle of food being prepared. Influenced by Pashtun traditions, the food is simple yet delicious. The recipes have been passed down through generations, preserving the authentic flavors of the region. Staple dishes include chapli kebab, a flavorful minced meat patty. It's often enjoyed with naan bread and a side of fresh salad. Saag, a spinach-based dish, is another local favorite. Cooked slowly to perfection, it's often paired with maki di roti, a type of cornmeal flatbread. No visit to Sarai Naurang is complete without trying the street food. The variety is astounding, offering something for every palate. Vendors line the streets cooking up a storm. The air is filled with the sounds of sizzling pans and the chatter of excited customers. Pakoras, deep-fried vegetable fritters, are a popular snack. They are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, often served with a tangy tamarind chutney. Samosas, crispy pastries filled with potatoes and spices, are another must-try. Each bite reveals a burst of flavors, making them a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The local market is the perfect place to experience the vibrant energy of Sarai Naurang. It's a sensory overload with colors, sounds, and smells all competing for your attention. You'll find stalls overflowing with fresh fruits and vegetables. The produce is incredibly fresh, often picked just hours before being sold. The scent of spices hangs in the air. From cumin to coriander, the market offers a wide array of spices that are essential to the local cuisine. You can find everything from colorful fabrics to handcrafted jewelry. These items make for perfect souvenirs, capturing the essence of Sarai Naurang's rich culture. It's a great place to find unique souvenirs and interact with locals. The friendly vendors are always eager to share stories and offer a taste of their delicious food. Section 6. Adventure Beckons, exploring the wild side. For the adventurous soul, Sarai Naurang offers opportunities to explore the great outdoors. The surrounding hills are ideal for hiking and trekking. The trails are mostly unmarked, adding to the sense of adventure. It's best to hire a local guide. They can navigate the terrain and share their knowledge of the area. The more daring can try their hand at mountain climbing. The rocky outcrops provide challenging climbs with stunning views as a reward. It's crucial to have the proper equipment and experience before attempting any serious climbing. Remember to pack plenty of water and wear appropriate clothing. The weather in this region can be unpredictable. It's always best to be prepared for anything. Section 7. A diamond in the rough tourism potential. Sarai Naurang remains largely undiscovered by tourists. This is both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it means the town has retained its authentic charm. On the other hand, it lacks the infrastructure and development that often accompany tourism. The town has the potential to be a haven for ecotourism. Its natural beauty and cultural heritage could attract visitors seeking off-the-beaten-path experiences. However, sustainable development is crucial. It's important to preserve the town's unique character. Investing in basic infrastructure, such as accommodation and transportation, would make the town more accessible to visitors. Promoting responsible tourism practices, such as minimizing waste and respecting local customs, is essential for preserving the town's natural and cultural treasures. Section 8. Unveiling Sarai Naurang, a traveler's guide. For those intrepid travelers seeking an authentic Pakistani experience, Sarai Naurang is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Nestled in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, this quaint town offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that is often overlooked by mainstream tourism. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or someone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, Sarai Naurang has something to offer everyone. To make the most of your journey, here are a few tips. Do your research. Start by gathering as much information as you can about Sarai Naurang. Look for travel blogs, online forums, and social media groups where fellow travelers share their experiences. This will give you a better understanding of what to expect and help you plan your itinerary more effectively. Information on Sarai Naurang may be limited, so try to connect with locals or fellow travelers who have been there. They can provide invaluable insights and tips that you won't find in any guidebook. Pack appropriately. The weather in Sarai Naurang can vary, so it's important to be prepared for different conditions. Bring comfortable walking shoes, light clothing for the heat, and layers for cooler evenings. Be respectful of customs. The local culture in Sarai Naurang is deeply rooted in tradition, and it's important to show respect for these customs. Dress modestly and be mindful of local traditions, especially when visiting religious sites. Learn basic Pashto phrases. While many people speak Urdu or English, knowing a few basic Pashto phrases will enhance your interactions with locals and show that you respect their language and culture. While many people speak Urdu or English, knowing a few basic Pashto phrases will enhance your interactions with locals. Embrace the unexpected. Traveling to a remote location like Sarai Naurang means that you may encounter situations that are out of your control. Be prepared for limited infrastructure and embrace the spontaneity of travel in a remote location. This is part of the charm and adventure of visiting a place that is off the beaten path. Sarai Naurang offers a unique opportunity to step back in time and experience the simplicity of life in rural Pakistan. The town's rustic charm and slower pace of life provide a refreshing contrast to the fast-paced world we live in. It's a place where you can connect with nature, immerse yourself in local culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. From the warm hospitality of the locals to the breathtaking landscapes, Sarai Naurang is a destination that will leave a lasting impression on your heart and soul.